Today we're looking at a 2016 Buick Verano. It's got 15,000 miles on it. It's black metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It's got the turn signals in the mirror here. Unlock lock button on the door handles. Same for the rear door. Alloy wheels. It does have dual exhaust, backup camera, rear park assist. Make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good on the exterior of this Verano. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. It's got the black on black door panels. Nice little wood grain piece here. Power locks, power windows. It is equipped with Bose audio. Black leather power driver's seat. Kind of got the cloth trim here. A little bit of wear right here on the back of the seat. But other than that, driver's seat looks good. Passenger seat's in good shape as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Got the keyless entry key fob with remote start. It is an automatic. Dual climate controls, heated seats. And there's going to be your display for your backup camera and navigation. Push button start. Leather wrapped steering wheel with Bluetooth. Steering wheel audio controls there. There's your Bluetooth. It also has a heated steering wheel. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. It's got 15,995 miles on it. Now that we got the Verano started, I'll go ahead and show you your display screen here. Okay, we'll go ahead and activate the navigation. Alright, we'll go ahead and activate the backup camera. Okay. It does have heated seats and dual climate controls. Alright, there's your heated seats, dual climate controls. AC's been running out for a few minutes, everything blowing nice and cold there. Alright, let's go ahead and step out. Take a look at the back seat and your trunk space. Alright, back seat looks good. Carpet's clean. Black leather back here is in good shape. It's got the nice convenient console here. Cup holders. Go ahead and give you the driver's eye view, the dash and the layout. Everything looks really good there. Let's go ahead and take a look at your trunk space. Alright, it's got the convenient cargo net. Carpet is clean, well taken care of. And you can see just how far back that goes. A ton of room back here in this Verano. Let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. 18-inch alloys. All right, Michelin tires, still got a ton of tread left on there. All right, once again, it's a 2016 Buick Verano. It's got 15,000 miles on it. It's well taken care of. It's clean on the inside. Exterior's in great shape. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.